guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, today I will be doing a $20 hair routine challenge. So basically I'm going to be choosing a shampoo, a conditioner, a deep conditioner, and a styler that all add up to under $20. Now I did exceed my limit by like 84 cents, something along those lines, but I also didn't just buy them. I bought all these products at a different time because I wasn't going to go outside and spend my money when I have products here that will cost me under $20 for the challenge. So basically, I will say what products I use, I'll put the price and where you can find it, everything like that. I also have that in the description box. So yeah, before you watch, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so that you get notified whenever I post. Alright, so let's get started. So I started off with the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Shampoo. Put it right there. And this was $3.99. And then I went in with the Tea Tree Tingle Trader Joe's Conditioner. I don't know why this is like this. There you go. Which was also $3.99. So now for my deep conditioner, I'm going in with the Garnier Fructis 1-minute hair mask plus avocado extract. Now the big one is $7.49 or something, and the small one is $3 and something cents. I forgot. But this one is 13.5 fluid ounces. The other one is, never mind. It's probably not $3. The other one is like 3 ounces. But yeah. So I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna section my hair, and then I'm going to just apply this in. Oh, and I just wanted to let you know that this can be used as a deep conditioner or as a leave-in conditioner. For me specifically, it's a little too heavy for a leave-in conditioner, so I usually use it as a deep conditioner. So now I'm just gonna put it in a scrunchie in a bun, and I'm gonna put a plastic cap over it, and then I'm going to be using my hot head on top of that. So like a little bun thing that's going on with the plastic cap, and then the heating cap. I'm gonna let you guys know right now, the tools that I use are not included. Ooh, that looks bad. The tools I use are not a part of the $20 and under. It's just the products that I use. Alright. So now I'm gonna leave it in here for like 20 minutes, and then when I come back, my hair's gonna be like wet and I'm ready to style it. So yeah. Alright guys, so I just took the deep conditioner out. Now I'm gonna go in with the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I'm only going to be using one product because the product is $49, and that is my limit for the $20 challenge. Sorry, I don't know what I was saying. So now I'm just gonna apply this. This is really thick, so I don't use that much, and I don't apply it to sections. Alright, now like I said, the styling products and not styling products, like the stuff, the tools, there you go, tools. The tools I use in this video are not included in the 20 and under. So I'm gonna use my diamond brush, and I'm just gonna you're not gonna be able to see, but I'm gonna flip my head, and then I am going to just break it like down and do this like up. Like I'm basically just gonna be lifting my roots. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, so now I just like lifted my hair. These are my wet results. Oh. Yeah, I know, it's my hair. Okay, so yeah, these are our results. Now for the night. Alright, for the night, I'm just gonna wet plop it. And then when I wake up, I'm going to just like, wake up. Like I was saying, I will wake up. Let me scrunch a little bit. I will wake up and just unclop it. So yeah, let's see what this turns out to. So as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, these are my results. I love my results. I have used the Cantu Activator by them before, so I knew what I was expecting. So it was just for like the sake of this video that I just did it again. So yeah, let me just show you guys like a full results. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so that you can notify whenever I post. And if anyone is interested in doing a collab video with me, just hit me up on Instagram. Yeah, most likely just Instagram, or email me. My email is always listed in the description box so that we can talk and collab, either on a giveaway, a video, anything like that. So just let me know. Alright?